Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background from a logo on Canva. So let's assume, let me delete this and delete this also. So let's assume we want to remove a background on let's assume we want to remove this particular background from this logo. Yes, because this video is how to remove background from a logo. So all you have to do is to click on this. Okay, let me just click on apply both pages. So what we have to do is to click on this in particular. We can change the background color here to white, or animate the picture in particular. So it depends on what you want to remove. If you want to entirely remove the background, you may have to isolate the elements of that particular logo, something like this. You see, this C is a standalone, O is a standalone. All these letters are all individual alphabets brought together. So what you can do is to bring them together, or like to lock them together. So this way we can group them, and then we can move them as a unit all around. So with this, we can now do whatever we want to do with our background. We can change the color to any color that we think or desire. Violet. You can even put a gradient color if that's what you want. Okay, so this is contrasting a little, so I think I like this a little bit. So, and then we can bring this back and edit them to our taste. So this is how to change or remove background color in logos on Canva. So thank you guys very much for enjoying this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.